Start the video.
Okay, so we're doing this in real person.
Yeah. We're going to see
Jacob, it's really blurry. So this is very dangerous. We are doing this anyway, and as you see here, branches.
Oh no,
have-
Lauren, our oak. Look at our big oak. But the branch up there, it's splinted.
See that tree up there? It's splinted.
The one of the branches
there.
splinted.
Up
One of
there,
the
you
branches
see it?
splinted.
Okay. And you see that branch? That is from that tree.
Yeah, it's splinted
And so
really bad.
this is very bad. Jacob, I'm very cold. How are you not cold? And so we're just gonna go show you.
Our azaleas.
And look at that. We're just gonna go up here near close. Look at our azaleas. They just blended down. Oh, and look at this.
The wind's starting to pick up.
Come on, we gotta go in.
Wind's starting to pick up. It's gonna be too dangerous. The splints could fall at any minute.
Oh my gosh. Come on, Jacob. Gotta get in.
Gotta get in. The splints could fall
Now.
at any minute.
Now.
Any minute.
Any minute now.
Splints are
Oh,
trees.
sorry about that.
Splints are trees that are willow makers
It was
that
just
could fall
getting-
at any minute.
Sorry
Correct.
about that. I'm really sorry about that. We can't go out there and do in person right now because it's really, really too dangerous. But we can just show you. Look what happened to our deck.
Yeah.
Oh, Jacob, we can go to the bathroom and show them.
Or we could just go out there onto the deck. It's behind the deck.
Oh,